Hi, welcome to my channel, Sparkle and Glue. So glad to have you here today. I thought we could work on a little project that these are baseball card pocket holders or for any kind of collecting cards, Pokemon or whatever. I've had them a long time, so I know that they still sell them. They might be a little different. This is not, they have really hard packs. That's not what this is, but it's also not the really thin ones either. And they're working really well. So I thought we could make some frames to put into the junk journals or even on top of an album. So what I did with this one is, I'm using the double-sided tape because I don't know, nothing really, the glue doesn't stick as well to any kind of acetate, or at least for me. I know some people have had some luck with hot glue guns, but then, it could melt the acetate. So I'm just using the double-sided tape and it's working really great. And then I just slipped in a card here, but you could put a picture or a saying or anything you want, and I'm just going to show you. So like on the front of an album, if you wanted to add this to your album, and then even if you're giving it as a gift, let them put in a picture of whatever they're going to, whatever is inside the album that they're going to do. So this one I just attached lace, and it's just a roll like this, and I just cut it and glued it on, and then you can just slide in the back. And then what you can do is just put some double-sided tape on 3 sides to adhere it to wherever you want to put it, or if you want it inside on a page, it can be part of that. So that's one of them I made. I made this one, I cut this out on Cricut Design Space, and then I added some stickers, which these are these sticker sheets, which we'll do one together. But and I'll link that below so you can see it was something I ordered from Amazon. They're pretty floral. And then you see if you put it on your page, that's really, I don't know, it's really pretty. And then like I said, you can add, depending on what you want, tags, envelopes, lace. You want to put lace inside. I didn't try this yet, but let's see if we can even get it to slide in. So, obviously a thicker pieces of lace, but you could do anything and change it as you go. So I thought it was just a really cute idea. So let's put these to the side, and we'll start working on this one. I cut out some stickers I thought we could use. This frame is also from Cricut Design Space. I inked it in this pink. This is from Hobby Lobby. And then I just went around the outside, just went around the outsides to distress it a little with the Tim Holtz Vintage Photo ink. So, all right, and the best way to do this is I just lift pieces of tape off. You can do it with your nails or whatever you have. I'm just using a tool I use for Cricut. It comes off pretty easy. I'm taking the 4. Okay. And then, so you want to just make sure that the top, it's the top, depending on, now this particular frame doesn't matter, but if it did. And then what I did is I'm leaving the inside where you can slide your piece in. So now just try to line it up best you can. It's a little hard to see. Let me put a piece of paper underneath it, see if that makes it a little easier. Okay. And we're going to put things over it so it doesn't matter that much, but, and then if you want to just press down. All right, so now you have your little frame. This particular one has some raised lettering here, which we'll cover up with stickers. I don't think the newer ones have that or not, and you can't really see it once it's in, but just keep that in mind if you're ordering something. So for the stickers, and you can really put anything on here, but I'm just gonna put down these pretty little stickers we have. And you can glue things, you can double-side tape, you can use, you know, little envelopes, little tags. These stickers are hard to get off, at least for me, but well, this one, got it. Okay, little purple watering can. And I thought that would be cute there. And we have some butterflies that we can just add to the side here. And I, you know, just play around, have some fun with it. I thought there's this little lamppost light that I thought maybe would be pretty on it, and I don't know, I mean, you get the idea. So, oh yeah, why not go overboard, right? Add some more flowers, and again, you know, you just put what you want on here, and I don't know, maybe from up above. All right, and I'm just pressing down, and then depending on what you want to do with it, but it's pretty as a frame, and then your paper from behind will show. You can slide things in. Again, do whatever you want. And now because this is paper and there's a lot, you can probably just glue this down if you don't want to use the double-sided tape. But it's pretty, and it's pretty even just the way it reflects the light, right, for being clear. So that is that one. And then I thought we could make one together from the beginning. So I'm leaving my opening in the back so you can slide things in and out easy from the back. And then I'm taking this double-sided tape, which is thin, and I'm just going to line the outside borders with the tape. And then just cut. And then we're just going to keep going till we get all four sides. And I'm not going to overlap tape, because when you do, it sometimes pulls the other piece that it was stuck to off. So it would be better to leave a little space than overlap. So just, and again, you know, you're not going to see this, so, and then the bottom. And you, like I said, you don't want to overlap it. So we'll cut it before. And just press down. Okay, so that's it for the tape. And I push it down just to get it, make sure it's adhering well. Okay, and then we have our back pocket here. And just pull off the tape. the frame, this one is also cut on Cricut, and I just inked it with the Tim Holtz Distressed ink. And I'm just going to place this down on top and go ahead and smooth it out. And I just thought for this one, that maybe I would glue this little corner flower piece I have on to the frame. And it does have some color on the back, and make sure that that's okay, because in this particular case, you know, you don't want to get any glue on the frame, because on the actual clear. And if we do, you'll see why. It makes a mess and it's really hard to clean it off. So you want to try not to. And I'm just pushing down a little bit. And there. I mean, it's really pretty. I don't know. Again, here's just an album I'm working on with craft paper. But just by adding it to any page right away, I think it's really pretty. And like I said, and then go ahead and put in whatever you want. You know, this is too close to the same color, so it's, but you know, maybe something, let's see. I don't know. I think that there's a lot of possibilities with this. Something fun to create and make and do things. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you get to make some of these. So, but thanks for stopping by and crafting with me, and just leave a little sparkle wherever you go. I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, take care.